Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Taylor, and today I want to show you guys a quick clip of a video from a birthday gift my girlfriend got me last month while we were in Florida. It was an extremely fun thrill ride. I got to drive a 2015 Lamborghini Huracan around Palm Beach Speedway. It was only 3 laps, but it was absolutely thrilling, so check it out.
Keep it wide out here, keep it wide.
That's on the inside?
Yep. To the left hand side. Yep, go. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't turn in yet. Now, hook the right hand side over here. Hug it, hug it, hug it. Back over to the left. Back over to the left. Lift off, lift off. Keep it over to the right. Keep it over to the right. Yep, there you go. Keep down to the left. Go, 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 go. There you go. Stay out wide. Yep, slowly bring it in. Start bringing it in. Start bringing it in. Lift off a little bit. You're getting too much understeer. There you go. It's starting to bite now. Over to the left, over to the left. Now slowly bring it out to the right. Go, 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 go. And brake. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stay out, stay out, stay out. Down. Yep, over to the right, over to the right. Keep going, slowly bring it out to the left. Go. Go on, stay on the right, and brake. Yep, keep going, stay out, now brake. Now, good job. Bring it in slower. Yep, let that front end bite. There you go, that's it. Go, go, go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going now. Let's brake, hard, 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 hard. Now turn it. Keep it out wide, let that front end take. There you go, bring it in, bring it in. Now back to the left, go, 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 go. And lift, brake, hard, 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 hard. Good, let that front end bite, go. All right, back over to the left. There you go, lift off, there you go, back over to the right. Yep, go over to the left, 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 go, 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 go. Alright, there you go. Now you can start bringing it in. Let the front end bite. Let the front end bite. There you go. Now, go. Back over to the left. Go. Back over to the right. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Get your feet on the brakes. Left. Yep. Now back over to the right. Slowly, slowly. Now bring it out to the left. Go. Keep out, go. Keep it out wide, remember, let that front end take. Good, 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 good. Go. Oh. Good, good. And brake, 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 brake. Good. Bring it out, kick it out wide, keep it out wide. Let up, let up, let up. There you go. Now go. And lift. Hard on those brakes. Hard, hard, hard. Now let the front take it, go. There's the green cone. Lift through here. Yep. Brake, brake, brake. Yep. To the right. Yep. Bring it out to the left. Go. In the bits.
Okay.
Nice job.
Thanks.
Great. Let me just casually get into the car.
Man, that was a lot of fun, and I'm really happy that I was able to do that on our vacation. And obviously, you know, with an instructor in the car, they don't let you push the car very hard. A lot of the braking zones are a little too early, especially for the caliber of car that is, but That's totally fair and safe because wadding up somebody else's $250,000 car would not be fun. So anyways, it was a thrill ride for sure, and I'm super happy to have been able to do that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more automotive content like you saw here today. I'm going to do a couple more track experiences this year for 2019, and I'll be taking you guys along for the ride, so stay tuned. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next video.